Okay, hello and welcome. Brett here with ClickMill.co. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to share my screen again with you, and we're going to look at how to group the content. You have to do this. I don't know why. Honestly, I could probably just look it up and tell you, but if you do not group the content, when we preview, let's just say I save this as a draft. Right now, we have not done that. Okay, I'm going to preview it on desktop. And what you'll notice is everything is just really crunched up. And when we're talking about readability and we're talking about formatting, people need things broken apart for spacing. Okay. And I guess for whatever reason, it's going to actually be spaced well right now. But that will not happen the vast majority. I don't think I've ever seen that happen. But either way, we want to go ahead and we want to group the content. Usually what happens is it all piles up one on top of the other with no spaces, and you can't do anything about it. Okay, so the next step we're going to do is we're going to group it. So I'm going to come back into the back end. That was the preview button, by the way. I hit this little computer. It said preview, desktop, tablet, mobile. You can choose the device and then preview a new tab. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come to the very end of the article. It may just automatically have grouped it for some reason, but this button right here with these two overlapping squares says group. I'm going to group it, and it puts it all into one big text box. And now my formatting, as I center things and do all the things we're going to be doing to get this ready to post, all of that will show up properly on the front end. So make sure as soon as you paste in the full blog, the first thing you do is you highlight the whole thing and you hit that double square right here and you group the content together. Okay. So with that, we are going to get into taking a full blog, not this blog. We're going to move over to a different blog I've already uploaded in. And we're going to go through and we're going to start putting everything together and getting it prepared to publish and rank on Google. We're going to be going over SEO, reviewing for SEO, and we're going to be going over reviewing for readability. And we're going to get everything just tied up. And so that you know, the person posting the blog and reviewing the blog really has to know what they're doing, both for human readability and AI readability. And so this is sort of where a lot of the expertise is going to come in, because you've got to know it just as good as the authors, and you've got to know it just as good as the SEO and put it all together. So with that, we will continue with the article in the next video. I'll see you there. God bless.